For years they said the walls would fall, said this would be the final call. Promises of prison bars, predictions written in the stars. They shouted doom from every screen, the same old fear, the same routine. But every storm that came his way only made him stronger day by day. While the voices rise and the headlines burn, the wheels keep turning and the lessons learned. He's still standing, still fighting through the thunder and lightning. Every warning, every claim couldn't put out the flame. Still standing, still leading, while the critics keep repeating. And the louder they cry, the higher the eagle flies. Oh, the world was shaking, lines were drawn, yet he kept moving, pressing on. Across the oceans, city lights, working through the endless nights. Talking strength and sovereignty, building visions people see. Not a whisper, not a plea, but a call to opportunity. They can shout his name, they can cast their blame, but history remembers who stayed in the game. He's still standing, still fighting through the thunder and lightning. Every warning, every claim couldn't put out the flame. Still standing, still leading, while the critics keep repeating. And the louder they cry, the higher the eagle flies. We're one nation, many stories, many roads and many glories. Different voices, different views, yet the red, white and blue. Under skies that still unite us, through the battles that divide us. Freedom's calling from the shore, asking what we're fighting for. Still standing, still fighting through the thunder and lightning. Every challenge, every test, bringing out his very best. Still standing, still leading, with a fire that keeps believing. And the dream keeps coming through for the red, white and blue. Red, white and blue. So let the voices rise and fall, let the echoes fill the hall. Some will doubt and some believe, but time reveals what we achieve.